Ever wondered what you can build with Python? Today we unravel the potential of this powerful programming language. Python, a versatile language, finds its application in various fields like web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. Its simplicity and readability are the key factors that make it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Python's power lies in its flexibility, allowing you to create almost anything, from simple scripts to complex AI models. Now let's dive in and explore some of the best Python projects that you can build. First on our list is web development. Python, with its frameworks like Django and Flask, makes web development a breeze. Let's delve into Django first. It's a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It's perfect for developers who are looking to build complex, code-efficient applications. In fact, popular platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest owe their seamless operation to Django. On the other hand, Flask, another Python framework, is more suitable for simpler applications due to its lightweight and modular design. It offers more flexibility, allowing developers to choose their tools. With Python, creating robust and scalable web applications is no longer a daunting task. Next up is data analysis and visualization, a field where Python truly shines. Let's dive in. Python's power in this space is largely due to its robust libraries. Pandas, a library for data manipulation and analysis, provides flexible data structures that make working with structured data a breeze. Then there's NumPy, a library that excels in numerical computations, especially for data arrays. But what's data without visualization? Enter Matplotlib and Seaborn, Python's dynamic duo for data visualization. These tools turn complex datasets into intuitive, visual masterpieces, enabling us to extract valuable insights. They say data is the new oil, a treasure trove waiting to be tapped. And with Python, you can tap into this resource effectively. Now let's move on to a field that's revolutionizing industries: machine learning and AI. Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, is at the forefront of this revolution thanks to its simplicity and versatility. Python's extensive libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow are key players in this arena. Scikit-learn, with its user-friendly interface, is a go-to for implementing machine learning algorithms. It helps you delve into the world of predictive analytics, making sense of complex data. Then there's TensorFlow, Google's brainchild, which is a powerhouse for creating deep learning models. It's essentially a playground where neural networks come to life. Python isn't just about number crunching, though. It's also used in artificial intelligence to create systems that learn and improve from experience. It's the language behind the scenes, quietly powering AI that can recognize your voice, beat you at chess, and even drive your car. Whether it's predicting stock prices or diagnosing diseases, Python gives you the tools to build intelligent systems. So, what can you build with Python? The answer is a lot. From crafting intricate web developments to conducting in-depth data analysis and visualization, Python's versatility is undeniable. The language's power even extends to machine learning and artificial intelligence, enabling users to create cutting-edge applications. In essence, Python is a Swiss Army knife in the world of programming. With Python, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start your Python journey today.